you was given a rock salt, how will you extract the sodium chloride from the rock salt? What would you do? Now, the first thing to do is, because it's a rock salt, it's a solid, to get a larger surface area, you will need to grind the rock salt using pestle and mortar. Remember always to write down the equipment. And then once you have grinded the salt, then what you want to do is get a beaker of warm water. Now, the reason why you're getting a warm water, because it will dissolve the salt quicker. Is like a rate of reaction scenario where you have the higher temperature, it dissolves faster. Once you've done that, you want to add the powdered grounded rock salt to the beaker of water that you have heated up, or maybe even warmed up, and then you're going to use a stirring rod to stir the two together. Once you've done that, you're going to set up your filtration equipment. You're going to filter the solution through the filter paper into a conical flask. And what you're going to do is collect rock, which is insoluble in water, will sit on your filter paper, and you're going to have the filtrate, which will be your sodium chloride, which is the salt dissolved in the water you're going to collect. You're going to pour that solution of sodium chloride into a evaporating basin. Now, you don't want to heat the evaporating basin directly because it will start spitting at you. You're going to make a water bath. So you're going to get a beaker of water, heat that with the Bunsen burner, and on the top you're going to put your evaporating dish with the sodium chloride solution in it. And you will heat and evaporate half the solution, and you will leave the remaining half to evaporate in a dry paste. And what you want to make sure is, if you do leave it to make crystals in a dry place, and in the exam they say make dry crystals, then you need to finally add to pat the crystals with a tissue paper.